Before we start building these assets, we're going to go to step 4, which is reading the results page. This is really to help us understand what the customers are looking for.
So we're going to take a look at some designs here, and you can see that these are coming from the Funny Halloween Shirt landing zone. And so when I'm looking at these designs, I just want to start taking in as much information I can about the similarities of the design. So what type of colors are they using? What type of imagery is here? And even the sayings. If you look at these shirts specifically, there's not a ton tying these together, but we can still take out that, like orange and black are pretty popular for Halloween things. Cats and bats and ghosts, just all kind of Halloween themed items, and even just different sayings are working on this landing zone. We take a look at this next landing zone. This is my human costume. I'm really a cat Halloween t-shirt. First, we can see that the keyword phrased is much longer, and it's actually pointing to a more specific type of shirt. So if we take a look at these shirts, you can see that all of them are actually using the saying and more similar colors. So you can see the type of orange that they're using is pretty similar. All black shirts, that's also something you want to take note of. The actual type of products that they're printing on and the color of that product. We can see that they're using this type of saying, this type of colors, and this type of shirt, and that just gives us a better idea of what type of listing we should be putting up to compete in an area like this.